Police are probing the fatal stabbing of a man in Christiana, Manchester on Monday night. He has been identified as Glenford Isaac, 31, otherwise called Jermaine, a resident of Silent Hill District in the parish. A police report said that about 7:15 p.m., residents stumbled upon Isaac sitting along the roadway in a pool of blood and alerted the police. Isaac was found suffering from a stab wound to his upper body. He was taken to hospital where he died while undergoing treatment. Statistics from the police show that up to March 31, Manchester recorded 12 murders since the start of the year, the same figure for the corresponding period last year. A man is in custody following the fatal stabbing of his brother in Tollgate, Clarendon. The deceased has been identified as 37-year-old Anthony Smichael, also known as Pops, of Ebony Park in Tollgate. The police say about 9:15 a.m., Smichael and his brother had an argument which subsequently led to a tussle. The brother then reportedly used a knife to inflict multiple stab wounds to Smichael's upper body. A farmer of Prickle Pole in Claremont St. Anne has been charged with robbery with aggravation and wounding with intent in connection with an incident in the community on Sunday, February 12. He is 28-year-old Floyd Johnson. Reports are that Johnson was among a group of men who forced open the door to another farmer's dwelling and attacked him with machetes and stones. The man attempted to flee from his attackers but was chased and chopped. He was then tied, robbed of cash, farming appliances, and 23 goats. The man managed to free himself and was assisted by residents to seek medical treatment. Johnson was subsequently arrested and charged. Two brothers died as a result of injuries they sustained in a two-vehicle crash on the Ridgepen Main Road in St. Elizabeth on Monday. Police named the deceased as Demario, 24, and Romario Lewis, residents of Brooklyn District, Mountainside in St. Elizabeth. A police report said that about 4:40 p.m., the brothers were traveling on a motorcycle from Mountainside to Hounslow when it collided with a Nissan Caravan traveling in the opposite direction. The injured brothers were taken to the hospital where they died while undergoing treatment. Corporal Albert Simpson, sub-officer in charge of the St. Elizabeth Traffic Department, is urging road users to be cautious. We are appealing to motorists to abide by the rules of the road and be cautious. 2 lives lost in this crash is too many, said Simpson.